Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford Focus 2012 to 2014? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2012 Ford Focus houses high current fuses that protect key electrical systems such as the cooling fan, ABS, ignition, and powertrain. It also contains relays for components like the fuel pump and starter motor. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2014 Ford Focus contains high amperage fuses and relays that safeguard critical systems such as the engine control unit, cooling fans, fuel system, and ABS. It ensures reliable operation and protection of major power circuits. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2012 to 2014 Ford Focus controls essential interior functions, such as the infotainment system, interior lighting, power windows, and climate controls. It ensures safe and efficient management of the vehicle's in-cabin electrical circuits. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2010 Ford Focus manages circuits for rear electrical components, including taillights, rear power outlets, and optional trailer wiring. It provides reliable protection and organization for rear-end electrical systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.